Friends, welcome back to Krishna Creations. Today I will show you how to make a bird's nest like this using jute thread and woolen thread.
This we need a hollow circle with an outer diameter of 20 cm and inner diameter of 15 cm. And we need bird shaped cardboards cut out in the appropriate sizes. Then we need 4 wings and 4 beaks. Then we need some leaf shapes. Then we need fevicol and jute thread and woolen thread. We should roll the jute thread around the hollow circle. We should do it very tightly. All the cardboard pieces should be rolled with jute or woolen thread in the similar manner. Now I am going to cover this cardboard piece with green color jute thread. You shall cover it very tightly so that there will be no holes.